Alright, so we just swapped out the radiator. So now we gotta charge the AC. So this is what we're gonna do, charging the AC. Super easy. We got some stuff from O'Reilly's, what we're gonna use, and I'm gonna show you how to do it if you don't know how it's done. Alright, so here we go. Here go what we got. So Murray's R134 Alpha, and one of these. That's all you need right here. This is getting close to the summertime. It's spring now, so it's like 15 bucks for this, and this might have been about 15 bucks too. Well, you can use dye, but you don't want to use no stop leak in the AC system. And we can roll with it. Alright, here we go. Get this lined up. Alright, good and tight. It should have pierced the hole to the low pressure side. So probably got a little bit in there. What you want to do is cut the AC on. I still got the heat on from changing the coolant. And then cut the AC on and see if we can't get that compressor kick on. Oh boy, let's see. Let's go to cold AC. Yeah. So we took a little break to check it out, see if it was getting cool, and she cooling. You'll know if it's freon taking. If the can will get cold, this line will start getting cold and go to sweating too. And this can is only 12 ounces. And it calls for a pound and 1.35 pounds. That's it. Give it a few more seconds. Yep, that's it. Cap back on. We good to go. That's it. I just saved you however much AC man charge you to do that. I just saved you. Alright, so we done. We done charged the AC, it's blowing snowflakes. So we good to go. So we got brand new radiator, antifreeze topped off. We summertime ready. If you got a Mazda 6 and if you looking to learn some stuff about it, I'm probably about to do a complete overhaul on this car and just kind of shake it back from the neglect that it's been through in its life, from the front bumper all the way to the back. Fix a few oil leaks, suspension. I got just about everything in to redo the front end. Shocks for the back, new wheels and tires, new paint, inside done, detailing, headlights, taillights, aftermarket radio, music, window tint, anything you can name, it's about to get touched. So stick around and we're gonna do it. In the meantime, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the button, and we out.